Hey GoPro, start recording. So apparently we're about to answer the timeless question of, can an air conditioner be installed on a John boat? So my good friends from Outdoor Master recently sent me this Bonito wireless air pump. And now since my last video of cooking over a kerosene-based beer bottle was not well received because people seemed to think it was dangerous, I thought this time we would go the opposite direction. So instead of playing with fire, we're gonna play with ice. Now this pump, 1,000 liters a minute. Okay, this is gonna be something else. Let's get into it. So what I'm thinking now is we're gonna grab a 20-liter bucket and we're gonna mount this on the side of it so we can use it as 1,000 liters a minute air conditioning system. We're gonna fill this with ice, but we're gonna need a bit of a snorkel system, so if you got any old garden hose laying around, well, that works just fine. This smells like pickles. Oh no. This entire project is just gonna smell like pickles. So now the first thing we're gonna have to do is grab a Sharpie, because we're gonna have to plan this all out. So let's see what kind of attachments we got with this thing. So I think what we're gonna wanna do is drill a hole through this so we can attach this attachment on the inside. And of course, if your drill bit isn't big enough, you just take it around in a big circle and it'll eventually get big enough. Yeah, I think the hole's about there. Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh, there goes the beer bottle. Maybe we'll move this somewhere else. I think that's actually pretty close. All right, now that we've got that attached on the side there, we're just gonna pop this in. And the greatest thing too, it kind of works like a leaf blower. So if you got a mess and you need to clean up, and now the wife would never know that I was even working on anything out here. Now here's the trouble with this though. If I were to put the lid on, all of a sudden we've got a vacuum. And trust me, I don't even know the meaning of the word vacuum. So we're gonna build a snorkel kit for this thing. And again, remember, just if you make a mess, just... I guess I cut this probably a little bit too high, but the biggest thing that you wanna make sure is, because we're gonna fill this with ice, you wanna make sure that it's above the water level. So grab the handyman secret weapon and we'll make sure that we put this in the right place. There. So now if we were to install the lid, should get rid of the freaking, all the plastic bits on the inside. Let's go into the content. And I can feel the suction coming through the garden hose. So now the only thing that we've got left is fill this thing up with ice and see if it actually works. Now I've got an ice maker here at home, but I've really had to put it into overdrive lately just to make sure that I've got enough ice to make it through the weekend. There we go. Now, of course, once you've got it all filled up with ice, you can go on ahead and throw in your favorite beverages or some snacks if you wanted to keep them cold, or heck, even your socks if you needed to, whatever you needed to do. All right, let's seal this thing up. Oh, wait, I left all the beer in there. Ah. Now it's not gonna be cold right away. You gotta let it sit and cool down the air inside of it. And I know what you're thinking. What are you gonna do with all the spare time waiting for the thing to cool down? Well, dear, it actually works. Come here. No. Don't worry. It's portable. Oh, we just turned it on. It's cold, isn't it? You guys gotta check out my air conditioning unit. Flick the switch on it. Is it cold?
It's loud. Oh, so cold! Do you have ice in this thing? That explains how cold it is.
So there you have it, just like that. In a matter of just a few minutes and with a little bit of duct tape, you've got yourself a top-of-the-line air conditioning unit for your John boat. Now I want to say thanks again to Outdoor Master with supplying me with this Bonito pump. So whether you're on the water or stuck in the doghouse because you just cut up your wife's new garden hose that she was planning to use for her flower beds, well, stay cool this summer and tight lines and keep your stick on the ice.